get stuck in.
Mario, stop it.
Oh, sorry, Izzy. Come on, Wormy. Come to Mario. I wonder what it's thinking.
Not much. They just eat soil one end till it comes out the other. Hey, look at this carrot. It looks like a dinosaur.
Haha, a Carrotosaurus.
Oh, the ground's a bit stony around here, so when the roots hit the stones, the veg grows a bit wonky.
This one's like an octopus.
That's a turnip.
It's got tentacles.
Grr. Octy the octopus is going to trap you in his tentacles.
Hey, my Carrotosaurus is a peace-loving herbivore. With a big heart.
Right, we'd better get these packed. My customers will be waiting.
In you go, Octy.
Well, that looks great, Penny.
Yes, I think it's coming along nicely.
What are you painting, Sid?
You'll just have to wait and see.
Ready, Shane? The kids are on their way. They're going to help with the deliveries.
Sounds like the perfect time for my song.
Oh, no.
Oh, Maggie, what can I say? This is your beautiful veggie day.
Brilliant!
OK, let's go.
Roll up, come and get 'em. Maggie's lovely vegetable boxes straight from the farm to your doorstep.
Hey!
From field to fork, fresh, tasty veg.
Oh.
Maggie's lovely vegetable boxes straight from the farm to your doorstep.
Good boy, Mario. Oh! What is that?
Oh, delicious. Calm down, Eddie. It's just a courgette. Snake! Lovely. Ah!
Here he is, Shane the Chef. How on earth are you going to win the bet with Mario, Dad?
I think I've got just the thing.
I'm going to film it for the Shane the Chef channel.
Let's get cooking. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and you have a simply delicious tricolore salad.
Here he is, Shane the Chef.
I don't understand. Where is it? I'm sure I put the yogurt right here. But if it's not in the fridge... Oh. Oh, no! Oh, I put it in the wrong place in the freezer! Oh, not the fridge!
Don't worry, Mama Polenta. Here, Izzy, try this.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Shane. Oh, dear, what can I say?
It's not bad.
And with some added squashed strawberries, it'll taste even better. Mama Polenta, you're a genius.
Oh, Shane!
Right, let's use JG's gadget to mix the frozen yogurt and the squashed strawberries.
Oh, that sounds yum. Oh, I've got to get this on the Shane the Chef channel.
Let's get cooking. Whoa. And hey presto, frozen strawberry yogurt. Just what you need to cool down on a hot day.
Here you go, Jay. Oh, this is really good, Dad. Here he is, Shane the Chef.
Join us for a meal delight. Here at Fresh with us tonight. Test your taste buds to see if they're right. Here at Fresh with us tonight. Wonky or straight, which tastes the best? You might be surprised when you take our test. Come along for real food delight. Here at Fresh tonight.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
So what do we need, Dad?
A cake, we need onion, garlic, tomato, kidney beans, carrot, celery and spices. Oh, and lots of cabbage leaves. So, let's get cooking. And there we go. Job done. Back of the oven.
Yay!
I was hit on the head again and again by tumbling cabbages. Reminds me of the time when I was trapped in a runaway tuk-tuk full of cabbages. Wait a minute. This is that time. Well, I can tell you now, I'll never look at another cabbage ever again. Can't bear the sight of them.
So, who's for cabbage leaves stuffed with vegetarian chili?
Me! Yum.
I thought you couldn't look at another cabbage.
Oh, yes. I'll start that tomorrow.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
And the scientific name for this magnificent specimen is Magnifera indica, otherwise known as the mighty mango.
Amazing! Wow!
Hey, what's going on?
It's Marvin.
And my magnificent mangoes.
Mango? That's a fruit, right?
That's right, Mario. A fruit.
But so much more. This mango is loaded with vitamins, minerals,
And antioxidants.
Auntie, what?
stuff that's good for you.
Why didn't he just say that?
Well, some chefs like to overcomplicate things. There you go. Now that's what I call the real skill.
Wow!
Absolutely wow. And it tastes delicious.
Tasty.
Oh, hello, Marvin. I'm Shane. That's my restaurant over there. Fresh. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you, Shaney boy. Whoops. Whoop. Ha. There you go.
Wow. Neat trick. Yeah, I do a spinny thing like that with my spoon. Watch. Oh. Whoops, hang on. Whoa, right, bear with me. Whoa, oh, no. Just dropped it again. Silly me. Butterfingers. Whoa, best of three. Here we go. Whee! Ta-da! Oh, where's he gone?
Right, 3 mangoes. Up in the air. Now that's what I call real skill.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
And blitz it.
Dad, don't forget the lid.
Thanks, Izzy. I almost did it again. Back in the blender. Super fresh blackberry smoothies.
Thanks, Shane.
Thanks, Shane.
Ooh, this is lovely and fruity. How did you get on with your homework, Izzy?
It's all done. I got the robin, the squirrel, the blackbird, and I found a hedgehog. Wow, we spent ages looking and we couldn't find one anywhere.
That's fantastic, Izzy.
I wouldn't have found it without Dad. He's a master wildlife spotter, as well as a whiz with the blender.
Thanks, Izzy.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
So, you chop the parsnips, into the stock they go, a pinch of Mama Polenta's spices, and we'll leave that to bubble away. Then I blend it, and it's done.
Is that it? It's easy.
Easy and delicious. Now for my parsnip crisps.
Parsnip crisps?
Yep, give them a good scrub, slice them up, touch of oil, bish bash bosh. What are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. Here we go, back of the oven.
Yay!
I'm still not sure about parsnip crisps.
Here we go, spicy parsnip soup.
And parsnip crisps.
Delicious.
Ta-da!
Yummy.
Oh, delicious.
Wow, yummy.
Mario?
They're okay. Better than okay, actually.
I think he likes them.
Yeah. I'll just give these to Eddie.
Well, I think that says it all, doesn't it?